Have you ever stopped to think about how tape actually works? While it might seem like a simple tool, pressure-sensitive adhesive tape is far more advanced than the everyday rolls found in office drawers. In this video, we'll explore the basics of PSA tape, break down the types of adhesive used, and guide you through selecting the best tape for your project. Pressure-sensitive adhesive, or PSA tape, is a versatile bonding material that adheres to surfaces with minimal effort, requiring only pressure rather than heat, water, or solvent activation. This adhesive, which remains effective at room temperature, is designed to form strong bonds while maintaining viscoelastic properties, allowing it to bear loads and resist stress. Unlike liquid adhesives that need time to dry or cure, PSA tape provides instant adhesion, making it ideal for a wide range of applications across industries. There are numerous types of PSA tapes, each designed for specific functions. Everyday examples include box sealing and packing tape, masking tape, duct tape, and double-sided tape, all of which are frequently used in household and industrial settings. More specialized variants include electrical tape for insulation, medical tapes for skin adhesion, and EMI RFI shielding tape for electronic applications. Additional types such as thermal management tape and gasket sealing tape serve niche roles in industries like aerospace, automotive, and construction. Even sports tapes used on hockey sticks and baseball bats fall under the PSA tape category, demonstrating its broad utility. The first one we will look at is adhesive transfer tape, which consists solely of an adhesive layer coated on a removable liner. When applied, the adhesive transfers to a surface, leaving no additional backing material. This type of tape functions similarly to a controlled layer of glue, making it ideal for applications where a seamless bond is required. Its flexibility allows it to conform to irregular or contoured surfaces, making it particularly useful in applications such as graphic overlays, signage, and electronics. However, it can be challenging to handle due to its lack of a carrier, requiring precision during application. Next are double-coated tapes. They feature adhesive on both sides of a carrier material. This design enhances dimensional stability, making it easier to handle compared to adhesive transfer tape. A release liner prevents the tape from sticking to itself before application. Double-coated tape provides strong, lasting adhesion and is commonly used for mounting nameplates, bonding foam and plastic components, and securing trims. Third is single-coated tape, which has an adhesive layer applied to only one side of a backing material, which can be made from paper, plastic, cloth, or other substances. These tapes are often self-wound, meaning they roll onto themselves without requiring a separate release liner. Last is self-wound tape, a type of single-coated tape that has a pressure-sensitive adhesive on one side and a release coating on the other, eliminating the need for a separate liner. This feature makes it more efficient for quick applications. Each type of PSA tape serves a distinct purpose, with variations in design affecting flexibility, stability, and ease of use. Understanding these differences helps in selecting the most suitable tape for specific applications, whether in industrial, commercial, or everyday use. The adhesive component of PSA tapes is typically made from rubber, acrylic, or silicone. Rubber adhesives, whether natural or synthetic, are cost-effective and offer strong initial tack, making them suitable for short-term applications in controlled environments. Acrylic adhesives, on the other hand, provide superior durability, resistance to environmental factors, and stronger bonding over time, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Silicone adhesives stand out for their ability to withstand extreme temperatures and harsh conditions, though they come at a higher cost and require longer bonding times. Each adhesive type has its own strengths and limitations, influencing its suitability for different projects. Selecting the right PSA tape involves considering several factors, including the type of surface it will adhere to, the environmental conditions it will be exposed to, and the intended application. Factors such as temperature, humidity, wind exposure, and the materials being bonded all play a role in determining the best adhesive choice. Additionally, whether the tape is meant for permanent or temporary use affects the selection process. By understanding these criteria, engineers and manufacturers can choose the most effective PSA tape for their needs. For those unsure about which tape is best, testing samples and consulting with adhesive experts can help identify the optimal solution for their specific application. If you want to test out different PSA tapes, we'd be happy to send you high-quality samples. Or if you want to learn more about adhesives and die cutting, you can visit our Learning Center that has more articles and videos on these topics. Thanks for watching.